Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this super easy fruitful fruit cake. This recipe is so easy to make and it's full of different fruit flavors. You guys are gonna love this recipe. The full recipe will be given in the description down below. So let's get started. Here in a bowl, I'll be sieving in 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoonful of baking powder. Sieve all these ingredients well. Mix well. Now here I'm adding different kind of dried fruits. You can add whatever available you have. Here I've added dried pineapples, dried cherries, dried plum, raisins. You can add whatever available you have at home. Give these fruits a good mix and set this aside. In another bowl, here I'm adding half a cup of oil. You can use butter if you like. And here I'm sieving in half a cup of brown sugar. Mix well. Now here I'll be adding 2 eggs, one at a time, and a few drops of vanilla essence. Mix well after adding each egg. Once that is done, now here I'll be adding my dry ingredients. Mix gently till you see no flour. Don't overmix. Here I'm adding 1/4 cup of milk. If you don't have milk, you can add yogurt, you can add buttermilk, you can add whatever you like. Now here in my greased mold lined with butter paper, pour in your batter. Here I'm using an 8x4 mold. You can use any mold you have available in your home. Spread your batter evenly throughout the mold. Now tap your mold once or twice. And now we will bake our fruit cake in a preheated oven at 170 to 175 for 45 to 50 minutes. And here our cake is perfectly ready. Just look at how beautiful golden brown it is. Just look at this. It's so fruitful, so moist, so tender, and it's super hot as well. I hope you people enjoyed baking with me today. Please do try out this recipe this holiday season and enjoy it with your family and friends and share with me your feedback. If you have any questions, please don't forget to mention it in the comment section down below. I'll be surely happy to answer everyone. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.